Hey, what's up everyone? This is Tony here, and welcome to another natural wellness video. In this video, we're going to cover 3 natural liver cleansing herbs, and we're also going to cover what substances contribute to liver toxicity. Now, the liver is a really important organ if you're looking to detoxify any system in your body. So before we get started, if you don't know who I am, my name is Tony Wheeler. I'm a person who's really into natural wellness. And on this channel, whenever I feel like it, I come out with free natural wellness guides and videos. So if you're new here and you're interested in natural wellness, go ahead and mash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I come out with new natural wellness guides. So let's go ahead and jump into the liver cleansing herbs. So before we jump right into the herbs, what does the liver do anyways? Well, one of the main things the liver does is it eliminates toxins. And your liver is your primary detoxifying organ for anything that goes through your digestive tract. So anything that you eat or drink, if it has toxins or pesticides or herbicides in it, they have to get processed out through your liver so that these toxins don't get into your bloodstream. Another function of the liver is to produce bile for digestion. So bile is basically a bicarbonate-rich substance, and your body uses it to neutralize the acidity from your stomach acid when food passes out of your stomach and into your small intestine. And whenever cholesterol gets into your liver, it can actually combine with the bile and create an amalgamous substance called a bile stone or a liver stone. And these are basically the same things as gallstones, which form in the gallbladder because the gallbladder also produces bile. And these liver stones are one of the primary factors that may be slowing down your liver. And the best way to get the bile stones out of your liver is by doing a liver cleanse, which I'll post another video on the actual liver cleanse later. But we're also going to cover some simple herbs that you can use to start breaking down bile stones in this video today. Now, another thing you should know that emphasizes how important the liver is that it is active in all metabolic processes. And so we already talked about how the liver breaks down any toxins that enter in through your digestive tract. But if you also take in toxins through your lungs, say through like smoking or just through air pollution, your liver is going to have to play a role in breaking down those toxins. Another function of the liver is to turn amino acids into proteins. And this is particularly important if you're a vegetarian because almost all food has a certain profile of amino acids. And in order for your body to turn those amino acids into proteins, you have to have a complete profile of amino acids in order for your liver to combine the different amino acids together into actual protein that your body can use. And these are just a few of the functions of the liver, but the liver has over 500 known functions. And that's not even beginning to guess at how many things the liver does that we don't know about. So as you can tell, the liver is a really important organ. And our modern day lifestyles, where we're in contact with a lot of different contaminants and pollutants and things like that, really put a lot of stress on the liver. And that's why things like the liver cleanse protocol and liver cleansing herbs are important for our overall health. So the first liver cleansing herb, and one of the best ones in my opinion, is dandelion. And dandelion are those little yellow flowers that sometimes have the puffballs on top that you can blow on, and the seeds will get carried away on the wind. And you can usually find these, you know, in your yard or even growing in concrete or anything like that, or just all over the place. Dandelion is a really common herb that is classified as an invasive weed, but it's actually one of the most nutritious plants out there. I remember reading about a study a few years back where some people took a selection of herbal teas from a health food store and they took a lot of the high-end trendy herbal teas and they analyzed them all for antioxidant content. And the one that came out the highest was the common dandelion. And when you're using the dandelion, the best parts to use are either the leaves or the roots, and you may even use a combination of the two for the best effect. Now, first off, dandelions have a bitter taste, which in traditional Chinese medicine correlates with the liver and gallbladder. And so the basic idea is that things that taste bitter will have natural chemicals that benefit these organs in a specific way. And another advantage of having a bitter taste is that the bitterness is actually going to stimulate certain portions of your tongue and certain nerves within your digestive tract in order to produce a kind of reflexology type effect for stimulating the liver. In dandelion, the bitter taste comes from flavonoids and other antioxidants that give the dandelion such a potent detoxifying effect. And what the flavonoids and other antioxidants allow the dandelion to do is to purify the blood, the lymph system, your hormonal receptors, and basically your entire body. Now, the way this helps the liver is that without the dandelion there purifying your entire body for you, your liver would have to jump in and do the work and remove those toxins itself. And anytime you put the liver under stress, it's going to tie up the resources that the liver has, and it might prevent the liver from detoxing the body as effectively as it could. So the dandelion, by purifying the circulatory system, it basically acts as a liver helper. Now, another way that the dandelion helps remove toxins from the body is through its diuretic and laxative effects. So that means that it basically helps you go to the bathroom more, either through urination or through bowel movements. And these are two of the main ways that your body actually removes toxins from your system. So by upregulating your elimination systems, dandelion also helps the liver by removing more toxins than normal. And another effect that dandelion has specifically on the liver is that it stimulates bile production, which in turn is going to help you break down and digest food. So another really good liver cleansing herb, and this might possibly be the best herb specifically for liver cleansing, is the milk thistle. And this has been known since ancient Greek times as a potent detoxifying herb, and it detoxifies the liver specifically and then the entire body, because the liver will have more resources to detoxify the entire body if the liver is detoxified first. And again, just like the dandelion, milk thistle contains flavonoids and antioxidants, which help purify the entire body from toxins and free radicals. Milk thistle has the ability to help prevent liver, kidney, and gallbladder stones, mainly by helping to remove the impurities that would normally form into those stones within the body. And another pretty incredible benefit that milk thistle has is that it helps your liver regenerate liver cells. And so the basic idea here is that your liver is always regenerating liver cells, and milk thistle gives it the nutrition and an extra boost so that it can regenerate those liver cells faster, and that just allows the liver to be more effective overall. And so combining dandelion and milk thistle is going to have a very potent liver detoxification effect. Now, a third herb that's really useful for liver detoxification is a Chinese herb called gold coin grass. And gold coin grass is used in practically all liver recipes in traditional Chinese medicine because it has one incredible benefit that stands out, and that's basically its ability to dissolve liver, gallbladder, and kidney stones. And like I mentioned earlier, liver stones might be one of the primary things that are clogging up your liver and preventing it from functioning to its fullest potential. So when you start to dissolve all of these different stones, you're really just cleaning out all of the debris out of your organs so that they can start functioning at their optimal potential. Okay, so in this video we covered 3 herbs that are really helpful for liver detoxification, and there are a number of other liver cleansing herbs, and in a sense, almost any herb that detoxifies your body on any level is going to help your liver because it's going to reduce the amount of toxins that your liver has to process itself. And that's all for today's video. This has been Tony Wheeler, and thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more natural wellness videos. And until next time, peace out.